In this video, we are going to take a look at a live day trade on ticker symbol ROKU, where I take a short position for a 25% gain in less than 10 minutes. Stick around to see more. Welcome back to Trade with Resolve. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, platform tutorials, or stock market training, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more. I'm currently watching Roku here, and as you can see, we have quite a bit of selling pressure here indicated by this red elongated candlestick. And so I'm anticipating continuation to the downside here. And so I decide to buy 2 put option contracts at an average cost of $2.41, anticipating a move down. Let's see what happens with the price action.
Perfect.
So I am all out of the trade here for a $116 profit, which equated to a 25% gain in about 8 minutes. So not a bad first trade for the morning. I ended up taking a quick long scalp here on Facebook. This one took some time to unfold, but I ended up making a quick 20% gain on a very small position size. So both of these trades ended up being high probability setups because I was trading with the trend in order to place the odds in my favor. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please give the video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.